Hi, welcome to my channel, and I'm just coming home from dinner and I decided to make a video. And this is the bag I used today, and this is my Rogue 25, and just showing you the bottom of it. That, as a matter of fact, the reason why I'm doing this is because I just got a new Rogue, and I got this new 4th generation Rogue. Yeah, and I realized the bottom has feet, had this little strip with the feet under the feet, like this. I think this was like a 1st generation. I love it with these extra stuff going on. So this is a cutie pie, and this was my bag of the day. All right, so I'm gonna show you my new Rogue. Alrighty, box. I opened the box, but not the bag. This is my new Rogue. Alrighty, this is it. This is what it looked like. First thing I noticed when I opened the box is that there's a strip, the leather strip under the feet, like the original Rogue. All right, so I'm gonna open it with you. Let me pull myself back. I know it's gonna take a lot. So I'm going to remove the paper, and then I'm going to come right back. I have removed all the paper, all the wrappings, because there's a lot from the outside of the bag. And now you could see here is the hand tag that, well, it is just one, unlike there were 2 on this one. And this is the 30, and that one is the 25. And there's a difference though. This one comes with a long strap. It's a long shoulder or crossbody strap, and it also comes with these 2 shoulder strap. And also there's a difference. This handle seems to fall a little bit down. For example, this one stays up like that, and this one falls all the way down, and still has a suede interior like the other style. Or again, this suede interior, this one, and this is a black, and you can see under the bottom. All right, I also have this Rogue 30. Looks like this. It has feet, but it doesn't have the leather strip here. For example, this one has leather strip, that one doesn't. And this one has the coin purse that is attached to the inside. And but they both have interior that has a fabric, like fabric lining, very thick fabric lining. So this one, let me remove the paper from the inside. Okay, and the inside of this one, it looks like that, fabric lining, and it doesn't have the penny purse pouch thing inside of it. So this is it. Strap, That's what it looks like. It's not that big. I'm 5'4", so not very tall, not very tall. And that's the 30. That's what it looks like. This is a 25. Sorry. So not much bigger. All right. Thanks for watching. And also remember to give this video a thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to my channel and be on the lookout for more unboxing. Thank you.